So in this video we will see a problem on a pentagonal plane which is given. The question is, a pentagonal plane of sides 30 mm is resting on HP on one of its corners so that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. Draw the front view, top view and top view of the pentagon. So this is the question in front of us. I'll explain the initial conditions. First, I'll draw the XY line here. The question is, a pentagonal plane of sides 30 mm is resting on HP on one of its corner. That corner we have to take it onto the left hand side, because in case of planes the left hand side is the reference for us. So I'll draw the pentagon resting on the corner. The side of the pentagon is 30 mm. Then measuring 72 degree from a point here. -72 degree from the other side as well. It is 30 mm side, so for that I'll measure this 30 mm distance, plotting it over here, drawing a light arc, cutting it from the other side. Now I get this point, so joining all the points in the proper sequence will give me the pentagon. So this is the pentagon when we look it from the top. When we are looking from front, it will appear as a line. I'll make it dark. So this is the pentagonal plane. Then when we are looking from front, it appears as a line. Next, here it is resting on the corner A, as it is given in the question that a pentagonal plane of side 30 mm is resting on HP on one of its corners. So here is the corner A, so that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. It means now this pentagonal plane will make an angle of 60 degree with HP. This will be visible in HP. It is given with respect to HP, so it will be visible in VP, that is in the other plane. For that, here I am selecting a point, measuring 60 degree. Then I'll measure the length of the cutting plane, that is the pentagonal plane, A dash C dash, measuring the distance up till here. Keeping the point over here, I'll cut this line. Next, this is the front view of the pentagonal plane. Now drawing the top view, for that I'll project the points down in HP. A dash, point A. Then for B dash, E dash, here I am getting point B. For C and D, joining all the points. So this is the front view of the pentagonal plane, which is inclined. It appears as a line. In the top, the shape is reduced. So here after this, I'll give the dimensions. It is of 30 mm side. This is the true shape. Here is the apparent shape. And with this, we complete the problem.